Hey guys, my name is Ritu Sachdev. Today here in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create a child theme of any theme in WordPress. And I will also show you what is the importance of creating child theme. I will upload this video in two parts. The first part will be limited to the installation, and in the second part, which I will upload very soon, I will show you how you can customize style.css, footer.php in the child theme using any other code editor. Before going into action, let me preview the things which we are going to learn in this tutorial. Basically, I have divided this video in two parts. In the first part, I'm gonna show you how to create a child theme of this theme 2012 by using a plugin, and what is the importance of creating child theme. And in the next video, which I'm going to upload soon, I will let you know how to customize style.css and footer.php in the child theme using any other code editor. And the very same way you can also customize header.php. Let me show you the customization I'm gonna make in the next video. So this will be my next video in which I will customize this title color, this background color. You can see this is the original default background color. Here we have some image in the background, and you can see the color of this navigation bar has been changed to purple, and when I hover it's a pink color, and this is active navigation bar color of this post, and when I hover it changes to purple. I will also customize this search button. You can see this color has been changed to pink, and in the footer you can see I have copyright by Ritu Sachdev. Earlier it was proudly powered by WordPress. So I will also customize footer.php and will change this text. So let's get started. Here I have already installed WordPress on my local host. If you want to know how I have installed WordPress on localhost, you can watch my earlier tutorial. I already have it on my channel. This is my channel, and in the videos tab you will find a video installing WordPress on localhost using WAMP server. So here I'm using WAMP server, but the very same way you can work online on your server also, just after buying your domain name, installing WordPress on it. Now let's visit this site. This is basically I'm running 2012 theme. This is the 2012 theme. So we will customize this 2012 theme more and more using the child theme. Now see, I'm using Firefox for this tutorial. See, when I will right click here, I have an option inspect element with Firebug. This is what I have installed extension to my Firefox browser, Firebug extension. When I click on it, here you can see I have the complete information. This is the HTML behind the scene of this WordPress website, and this is the CSS cascading style for this document. This is when I hover on body, it selects the body of document. When I hover on the page, it selects the page of this web page. When I click on the plus icon, I can explore more. When I click on header ID, it selects the header of this web page. And you see, when I click here, I have the CS property for header. Same way, when I click on body, I have the CSS property for this body. The background color they are using #E6 E6 E6. If you already have this web development tool named Firebug, then that's great. But once if you don't have it, here's the web page getfirebug.com. You can install it from here. Now again let me click inspect element with Firebug. See, this is the body of document when I hover here, and this is background color. When I disable this background color, see the background color turns into white color, or when I change it to hash 0000000, it turns into black color. But this is for this web page only, as we are changing in this Firebug tool. When I will refresh, again this is a default background what we have behind the scene. Now let's first change this background color without creating a child theme. Instead of going to dashboard, inside appearance, changing this property in the editor, today I will show you we can change this property in Dreamweaver or any other software also. So here I have opened up Adobe Dreamweaver. You can use any code editor, or even you can use editor of this WordPress also. Now let's open the document. The document I want to open is C WAMP, as I'm using localhost. So all my files are inside www, inside WAMP folder. Now inside this www I have this theme 2012 folder in which I'm running this website. Inside WP content, here I have themes folder. Now inside it I have this 2012 theme. Now these all are the files basically which you see in your editor section inside appearance. Let me go to dashboard, inside appearance, editor. This is what you can see. All of the files are here. You can see header.php, footer.php. We will also work on this file little later in this tutorial. This is style sheet. This is sidebar.php. This is sidebar front. So these are all the files which you can find here inside this 2012 folder. Editor style.css. This is header.php. This is footer.php. So here we are looking for this style.css. So let's open it in the Dreamweaver. So here we have style.css open. Now we will try to change the color of this background. Now again I will right click and inspect element with Firebug. As you can see, I have this CSS property hash e6e6e6. But along with it, you can see I have a small piece of information here, line number 1588. So this property is basically on the line number 1588. So let's go to our Dreamweaver again. Let's scroll down to the line number 1558. Yes, 1588. Here we have 1588 line number, and this is a property we have body, background color, hash e6e6e6. Now let's change it to the hash 000000 and semicolon. Now let's save it up. Let's refresh our web page. See, now our web page is in black color. This is how our Firebug tool helps us to find a CSS property behind the scene of this WordPress website. Now let's make several more changes. Let's change this color of this link. Let's click inspect element with Firebug again. See, here I have site title, header h1, h2a, h2a. When I disable it, I can see the colors are changing. as it's a link, so it has an underline, and when I disable this text decoration none, I can see underline is turning off and on. So this is basically line number 549. Let's search this 549 here. So this is here, I can see hash 515151. Let's remove it. Let me browse some color. Let's change it to purple color. This color hash 63F. Let's save it up. Now let's refresh. See, now the color of this link has been changed to purple. Now see, as we are directly changing this theme without creating a child theme, now what happens? Let's go to our dashboard. Let's go to appearance, go to themes. See here, I have a message update available. Well, it's a nice idea to always update your theme and stay updated with the new upcomings. I always want to stay updated. So let's hit update available. Now here's a message. There is a new version of 2012 available. View version 1.6 details or update now. Okay, let's hit update now. That's cool. I will have the new version of my theme. Okay, theme updated successfully. Now let's refresh our site and check the new upcomings added to this theme. Let's refresh. What happened? Whatever changes I have made to this theme are disappeared. Where did the background color go? I have changed it to black, and the site title I have changed it to some purple color. This color hash 63F. This is what I have changed. See here also I have the message. The file has been modified outside of Dreamweaver. Do you want to reload it? So the file has been modified again. All the changes I have made to this theme doesn't exist anymore, and the theme is reverted to its default state. So it's a nice idea to always create a child theme for the theme on which you are working. So even if in future any update is available, all the customization you have made are always with you. You will never lose them. Now let's see how to create a child theme, and then we will customize this theme more. And then also I will show you, even if we will update our theme, we will never lose our changes. And in that way I will also show you how you can customize more your web page by changing its header.php or footer.php or even the style sheet. So let's go to dashboard. Now to create a child theme, we will install a plugin. So let's go to plugins, add the new plugin. There are several ways to create a child theme, but I recommended you to follow this way as it's the easiest way. Just install a plugin and create a child theme instead of creating it manually. So let's search for this plugin, child theme. You can see there are several plugins which helps you to create your child theme. Let's go for the first one, child theme configurator. As you can see that too many downloads here, and the rating is also 5-star, so sounds good. So let's go for this. Let's click install now. Are you sure want to install this plugin? Okay. Okay, the plugin has been installed successfully. Let's activate it. Now you can see in the tools we have option here child themes. So let's click on this child theme. This is the parent name of our theme, and child theme, click to edit additional fields. Let's see. Child theme name. If you want, you can change this name. It won't affect the real fact. Still, that will be a child of this parent theme 12. If you change the name, you can change the name of author. Suppose I change it to Ritu Sachdev. Give my web page address. Give it a description. Child theme of 2012. You can go for the tags if you want. Style sheet handling, click to view option. In queue style sheet, default. Let's stay with this option for the default. Import parent style sheet. Yes, I want to import my parent style sheet. So whatever option we are having in the default style sheet, the parent style sheet will be imported. Let's stay with the default things. Just I have checked on this import parent style sheet. Now let's generate rebuild child theme files. Child theme 2012 child has been generated successfully, right? Now let's go to appearance, go to themes. This is the 2012 theme still we have. Let's scroll down. See, here is 2012 child. Now let's activate it. Now let's visit our site. Okay, so this is the child theme of 2012 theme. Now we will customize this child theme which we have created here. This is 2012 child is activated now. Then even if we will go for update, we won't lose any customization. Now to customize this child theme, again we will go to Dreamweaver, as this is the code editor I am using. Let's close the style.css. Let's open our this child themes style.css. So again I will go to vamp www theme 2012 wp content, and inside themes here is I have 2012 child. Now notice guys, I cannot remove this 2012 theme. I cannot remove this parent theme. If I will remove this parent theme, this child theme will no more work longer. It's a compulsion. I should have the parent theme and child theme both if I am working on the child theme. So let's open this 2012 child, and these are the two files you can see imported along with this. Let me show you here. See here, vamp www theme 2012 wp content. Inside themes I have all the themes. This is the 2012 parent theme 2012, and this is the 2012 child theme. Here inside 2012 parent theme I have lot of files which I have shown you in the editor also. Now if I will go for this 2012 child theme, there are only few of files here. This is style.css, this is functions.php. Now let's open this style.css. Here we have. Let's open it. See, as we have imported the parent theme of this 2012 style CSS, so we have this import URL 2012 style.css, and as I didn't change the name of this theme, so again I have 2012 child, and this is template This is author Ritu Sachdev, as I have given my name, and this is my website, right? As this video was going very long, so I decided to end up this video here for those who just wanted to know how to create a child theme and what is the reason behind creating a child theme. Now very soon I will upload part 2 for those who want to know more how do I customize style.css and footer.php in the child theme, and the very same way you can also customize header.php